Verified members, let's ground this in reality. When Mr. Ash Mafare spoke those words, he wasn't painting a picture, he was reading us the blueprint. The Victory with Ash platform, launched in October 2025, wasn't the finale, it was the foundation. Right now, while we are waiting for that learning portal to open, he is not sitting idle. He is actively, physically, and meticulously constructing the very infrastructure that will house our growth. Every day that passes is a day of concrete development, coding, curating, and perfecting the modules exclusively for our verified eyes. The wait isn't a pause, it's a build-up. He is living out his commitment to us by ensuring that when those doors swing open, we aren't getting a beta test, we are getting a masterpiece. Stay ready, stay verified, and hold your heads high. The architect is on site, the framework is solid, and our exclusive classroom is almost ready to receive us. The best is genuinely yet to come.